This video is going to show how to create magnetic parts such as flyback transformers in PSpice. While many magnetic parts, such as flyback transformers and ferrite beads, have SPICE models available for download, customization is often required for accuracy. Magnetic parts can be easily modeled in PSpice to ensure accurate simulation. Since transformers are made of inductors, we need to add some to our design. Select Place PSpice Part Inductor from the menu. Click to place two inductors in the design, ensuring they are oriented such that their dots are on opposite sides. Right-click and select End Mode. With linear coupling in PSpice, transformer turns ratios are determined by inductance. Double-click the value of the primary winding inductor on the left to change it. The Display Properties window opens. For this example, we will be modeling a transformer whose primary inductance is 1.5 millihenries. Enter 1.5 millihenries for the value and click OK. Double-click the value for the second inductor to change it. According to the transformer datasheet, the turns ratio is 15.42 to 1. According to the transformer inductance formula, the secondary coil will have an inductance of 6.31 microhenries. Enter the inductance and click OK. With the winding inductors placed, let's define the magnetic core. Cores are placed from the Component Explorer. Select Place Component from the menu. The Component Explorer tab opens. Here you can place components with predefined SPICE models as well as components from Symaxis, Ultralibrarian, and other sources. Select the PSpice category. Components can be filtered for faster searches. Enter K-linear into the search field and press Enter. The list is filtered to show the linear core model. Other core models available include a breakout core for nonlinear representation and coupling matrices for advanced modeling. Double-click the model listing to attach it to your cursor. Click to place the core model in the schematic canvas. Right-click and select End Mode. With the core placed, we need to define it to create a working flyback transformer. Select the core and double-click it to open the Property Editor tab. Here you can define all component properties, including windings and coupling. Select the cell for L1 and enter L1 into the empty field. Select the cell for L2 and enter L2 into the empty field. This will assign L1 and L2 to the first and second windings on the core. Up to 6 windings can be assigned to one core. Set the coupling to 0.95, then click Apply and close the Property Editor tab. To confirm that this circuit works as intended, a simulation must be created. Select PSpice New Simulation Profile from the menu. The new simulation window opens. Enter a name for the simulation and click Create. The simulation is created. If the PSpice Simulation Manager Product Choices window opens, select the appropriate license and click OK. The Simulation Settings window opens. Here you can define the type of simulation to run and all simulation options. Enter 6 milliseconds for the run-to time to run the simulation to 6 milliseconds. Leave the other settings as the defaults and click OK. Now we need to probe the schematic before any data is shown. We'll add a voltage marker at the output and a current marker at the input. Select the Voltage Level Marker button from the toolbar. Click to place a probe on the Vout net. Select the Current Marker button from the toolbar. Click to place a probe at the input of the primary inductor. When finished, right-click and select End Mode. We are now ready to run the simulation. Select PSpice Run from the menu to start the simulation. The PSpice AD window opens to show the output voltage and input current on the same plot. To make the plot easier to read, select Plot, Add Y-axis from the menu. Select the current marker from the legend and press Ctrl X on the keyboard to cut the trace. Press Ctrl V to paste the trace in the new Y-axis scale. The voltage and current are now shown within their own ranges. Quickly model magnetic parts for accurate simulation of components such as transformers in PSpice. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.